Usually when it's like right now, it's low tide, but it's not like super low either. Right there where that stick is at, it's usually about 4 feet deep on high tide. I've anchored there before and caught some big snooks along the rocks. What's that, brother? There's one. Decent little snook. I got my first snook. Now we're 1 and 1. Hopefully he's not too big. Jesus Christ. On my SEF lure, babe. I think he's gonna be too big. Oh, that guy is running. Yeah, I think he's gonna be too big, bro. Come here, buddy. Oh yeah. Woo. That's a fatty on the SEF lure. Because I'm kind of testing it out. Every lure that I put out, I want to catch a fish with it first. I'm not just gonna put them up, you know. Oh. Check it out, fellas. Let's see if I can. Let me turn the camera, the kayak around. Damn, dude. So the sun can hit me. Check it out, guys. Got this big old dude on my SEF lure. Hopefully he's 28. I hope. Find out. Big old snook right there. Nah, he looks like he's gonna be 30. Yeah, he looks like it, bro. Let's see how big this snook is, guys. He's fat too, man. Yeah, he's at 30 and a half. Check it out, man. .30.5-inch snook. Right there on the SEF lure, the gold color. Yeah, buddy. Let this guy go. Okay. You're welcome, jerk. This guy. That's gonna be on this color right here, guys. It's like a gold and black color. Man, this guy frayed up my line, bro. Let me retie before I snap my line like I did in the last video. All right, guys, let's see if we can get another snook. Oh, I got my lure back. I got one. I was fixing my drive. I was putting it in drive and it got hooked by itself. I thought I was snagged. Feels like a decent guy. Oh, crap. Oh, yeah. Another big guy, dude. Dang it. Well, at least he's giving me a show. Oh. Shake it off, bro. Come here. Oh man, this guy's gonna be another big dude. No, but he's gonna be bigger than the other one. Thanks, bro. Oh man. He showered me already. Man. I mean, it's fun, but I can't take him home. This guy caught it when I wasn't even working the lure, bro. Check it out, guys. Another big old snook. it's fun catching them, but I can't keep them. So it's no bueno. Jesus Christ. This guy has a lot of energy still. I feel like he was gonna break my wrist. You got one? Check it out, guys, on my lure right there. Bam! Another big boy. This is the gold color. I think I'm gonna call this one Goldilocks. And it's on the V-lock, so that's why they can't shake it off. No matter how much he jumps around, he can't shake off that hook. Okay. Right there, baby, on that SEF lure. It's like a gold color. Let's measure it real quick. It looks like as big as the other one I caught. Yeah, 30 and a half right on the dot, bro. It's El Mismo. He came back for round 2. Oh. Check it out, fellas. Another 30 and a halfer. What a fun fight, but can't keep them. But SEF lures are working, baby. Put them on this side. There's one. I think I got a small one. He's coming right at me. Yeah, oh yeah, it's a small one. Oh, it's a redfish. Yeah, a small redfish. Got a little baby redfish. This guy's been in the deep water. Alright guys, so I'm not sure what you guys are going to see after this part here. I'm shooting this video after the fact, but we went to a little secret spot here in San Martin, in the middle, in between Mexico and Bronzeville, and we got off the kayaks, but I forgot to bring my my hat or my chest mount. Polo here had his. So I'm gonna get whatever footage he's got on his GoPro and see if I can put that right after this video. But just so you know, you guys are gonna see probably a visual from my camera from long distance, and then you're gonna see whatever Polo recorded as well after this. But we limited out in this spot. He got his limit, I got my limit of reds. We caught the 2 snooks earlier, and then he caught a couple of snooks. How many snooks did you catch?
3, 2 small ones, and lost a few.
Yeah, he lost a couple, but he caught 3 of them, and a lot of the ones today were oversized for the most part, as you guys saw. And but anyways, that's gonna be it. I'm gonna go ahead and play whatever footage we have, and then we'll see you guys at the ramp. The farthest it can go is around where those birds are at. What the hell? Got a crab, bro. That was weird. The lures are good for crabs too. Got one. Yeah. Oh yeah. There he is. Small though. He'll measure 20, right? What do you think?
Yeah,
right? Put that guy there. Just want to make kind of second opinion. There's another one. This is a bigger guy. Oh, this guy's big, bro. Oh no, what did I get? It's not a fish.
Big ass crab.
Another one, bro?
Holy shit, bro, that's a huge crab.
What a jerk, bro. I don't want to have to go back to my kayak. Let go of my shoe. This guy's biting my shoe, bro. Stay there. I should have told you to bring a lure, but I forgot.
Turn. Good job, bro. ¿Es una high wasser? I'm under. Oh, come on, bitch.
Guys, I'm gonna do a quick outro because it's hot in my truck and I want to have the AC on. But if I turn it on, you're gonna hear, maybe you won't hear it so much, who knows. Anyways, it's gonna be a weird video. I'm sure you guys saw. I couldn't video when we were fishing in that one area because I forgot my my chest mount and my head mount for the GoPros. But I added the videos that Polo had gave me, so whatever is in there, that's what we got. But either way, we limited out on redfish, and we got some big snooks that unfortunately we couldn't keep. They were too big. But I wanted to come out here, test my lures again, and to no surprise, baby, they killed it. I even caught crabs, I caught catfish, I caught everything with the lures. It was crazy. But hope you guys made it this far. If you did, make sure you hit that like button, smash that subscribe button if you haven't already subscribed, and I'll see you guys on the next one.